What are you making? Huh?
Pickle pork.
Somu? Ain't no explanation.
Yeah.
Somu is like salami. Did I show y'all last time? How many days you have to leave it?
I think 3-4
Before we
days
sour.
and sour, yeah.
3 to 4 days before you can eat it.
Yes.
She have to wrap. Oh, I can't
Oh, then
show them how to wrap.
man,
See what y'all like pepper? The red. The red mean the old. That mean they real hot. ได้จักอันนะ
เบิ่งโซ่ให้แล้วก็เอานั่นมา
Show them how to wrap. Now I think it's smart to use plastic. They don't use. They can't afford banana leaf. They're out of banana leaf, so you use plastic. It would be better if they use banana leaf.
ส้ม
Oh,
นาง
that's how she make it a heart
เด
shape.
คอส้มนางตุ้ม
Som nang tum. What's tum mean?
The name ตุ้ม that mean ตุ้ม
It's like a heart shape, she said.
ตุ้ม that mean ไหลมันเป็นตุกปุกคะเดนี่
And it's like a heart.
ภาษาลาวเขาเอิ้น
It's
ส้ม
like
นางตุ้ม
dimple.
มีตัดไหมจะไม่ตัดมีตัด
What's grandma doing? Grandma's still very useful
ไม่
at
มีตัดจะใส่
86.
ไม่
She's still helping out.
เอาไม่มีตัด
That's my wife's mother, huh?
มีตัดละตัดนี่ออกให้มันเหลือ
Yeah. See, after 3 to 4 days, it turn color. Let me see.
เด้
See, that's the one she just made.
คัด
She'll cut it, make it look nicer.
ตัด
See, everything's got technique.
เอาตัวชิ้นล่างนะตัวเล็กพวกนั้น
Okay, I'll do it. Up 3 to 4 days, it turn like this. As a Laos in America, we eat it like salami, so we don't need to cook it. But you're not used to it, you have to cook it. Either air fry or microwave it. Microwave like less than 30 seconds, otherwise you will burn it. So you can eat that with rice, with full meal. That's salami. See, resembling. Every culture's got their own way of culture food. Good job. Good job, Grandma. 86? 86แล้วปีนี้ Year of the rabbit. She still can move. My wife love to work. I don't know what she do with all her money.